Welcome to the top best. The best dough scraper is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any baker's arsenal, simplifying the process of transferring dough from your work surface to your baking pan and ensuring you get every last bit of that delicious mixture. Whether you're a seasoned baker crafting artisanal bread or a beginner experimenting with cookies, a good dough scraper can make all the difference in achieving clean countertops and perfectly portioned dough, saving you time and frustration during your baking endeavors. Number 5. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Scraper and Chopper. Meet the OXO Good Grip Scraper and Chopper, your new kitchen essential. It's perfect for cutting dough, sectioning pie crusts, and so much more. The stainless steel blade has clear 1-inch markings, allowing for precise measuring every time. Get your measurements just right with this thoughtful design. Enjoy a comfortable and secure hold with its soft, non-slip grip. It's designed for maximum comfort and control during use. This versatile tool is perfect for a variety of kitchen tasks beyond just dough and crusts. It's designed to make your food preparation easier. Cleanup is a breeze as this scraper and chopper is completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your creations. What we like? This scraper is perfect for precise measuring with its integrated 1-inch markings. If you often find yourself needing exact dough portions or crust sections, this tool will be your best friend. Its comfortable, non-slip grip ensures control even with wet hands. What people say. The dough scraper is a great tool for dividing dough and scraping bowls clean. It's made of durable plastic and has a comfortable grip, making it easy to use. The scraper is also flexible enough to conform to the shape of the bowl, ensuring no dough is left behind. Number 4. Ourokhome Stainless Steel Bench Scraper 2-Pack. Introducing our premium bench scraper, crafted from high-quality stainless steel. It's designed to resist rust and deformation, ensuring a sharp edge that lasts for all your cutting needs. This versatile tool isn't just for dough. Effortlessly divide pastry, slice pizza, chop vegetables, smooth cakes, or scoop ingredients. It handles every kitchen task with ease. Achieve perfect portions with our integrated laser-etched scale. This convenient measurement feature ensures your baking is always precise and enjoyable. Experience a comfortable and secure grip, even with wet or floured hands, thanks to the anti-slip handle. It also includes a handy conversion chart for quick reference while you bake. Cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. Simply rinse and wipe, or hang it by the integrated hole to save valuable kitchen space. What we like? Get 2 for the price of 1 with this versatile set, featuring a laser-etched scale that won't wear off and a handy conversion chart. If you're a baker who appreciates convenience and durability in your tools, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who frequently bake and need reliable measurements. What people say. The dough scraper is a versatile tool that can be used for a variety of tasks, including cutting dough, scraping bowls, and chopping vegetables. It is made of high-quality materials and is built to last. The ergonomic design of the dough scraper makes it comfortable to hold and use, even for extended periods. Number 3. Kook Banneton Bread Proofing Set. Discover the joy of baking authentic sourdough at home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to create beautifully shaped loaves with professional-looking patterns. Our 12-piece kit includes 2 9-inch proofing baskets, washable liners, dough scrapers, a scoring tool with extra blades, and a beginner's guide to get you started. Each basket is expertly handcrafted from 100% natural rattan, ensuring it's odor-free and splinter-free. The unique shape helps create stunning, effortless patterns on your bread. Experience the secret to irresistible, crispy crusts. It creates a microclimate during proofing that helps form the perfect crust as the dough dries. We ensure your proofing set arrives in pristine condition. It's carefully packaged in custom molds for a secure and protected delivery. From rising to scoring, this kit empowers you to bake loaf after loaf like a seasoned artisan. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. What we like? This is a comprehensive kit for the aspiring artisan bread maker, including everything from proofing baskets to scrapers and a scoring tool. If you're looking to dive into sourdough or elevate your bread-making game, this all-in-one solution is perfect for you. It provides all the essentials for creating beautiful, professional-looking loaves. What people say. This dough scraper is a game changer for baking. It makes dividing and transferring dough so much easier. The sharp edge cuts through dough cleanly, and the flexible blade conforms to the bowl, scraping every last bit. I love how versatile this scraper is. It's not just for dough, I use it for chopping vegetables and cleaning my countertops too. Number 2. BAVIFY Sourdough Starter Kit. Embark on your bread baking adventure with our all-inclusive sourdough starter kit. It provides every tool you need, from mixing to shaping, making artisan bread creation simple and enjoyable. Our proofing baskets are crafted from 100% natural Indonesian rattan, ensuring a pure and chemical-free baking experience. They are designed to elevate your baking with confidence. Enjoy the convenience of our Banneton baskets for effortless bread proofing. Cleanup is a breeze, allowing you to achieve perfect texture and a crispy crust without the mess. This comprehensive kit includes 2 Banneton baskets, liners, a dough whisk, scraper, scoring tool with blades, and more. You'll have all the necessary supplies for baking delicious bread. Ideal for any bread baking enthusiast, this kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. Share the joy of homemade, oven-fresh bread with your loved ones. Say goodbye to uneven dough shapes and bake like a seasoned pro. Our kit helps you achieve professional results with ease, bringing comfort and joy to your home. What we like? Simplify your baking with this all-inclusive kit designed for beginners and experienced bakers alike. If you want a hassle-free way to create delicious sourdough with perfectly shaped loaves, this set is for you. It includes multiple sizes of proofing baskets and all the necessary tools for a seamless baking experience. What people say? This dough scraper is a great tool for dividing dough and scraping your work surface clean. The scraper is made of durable plastic and has a comfortable grip. It's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Number 1. NeoRov Extractable and Magnetic Bread Lame. Experience a revolutionary push-pull handle for effortless blade changes and secure dough scoring. Say goodbye to slipping blades and hello to safe, easy bread making. Keep your essential baking tool always within reach. Its magnetic design allows for convenient storage on any metal surface, decluttering your kitchen. Crafted with 5 sharp, high-quality stainless steel blades and a durable ABS shell. This tool is built for longevity and easy cleaning, ensuring great results every time. Enjoy a seamless baking experience with its ergonomic design and precise scoring capabilities. Achieve beautiful, even lines on your bread effortlessly. The perfect present for any sourdough enthusiast. This essential tool will elevate their artisanal bread-making endeavors, whether they're a beginner or a seasoned baker. What we like? This scoring tool offers unparalleled safety and convenience with its magnetic storage and extractable blade design. If you value easy blade changes and want to keep your essential tools readily accessible on any metal surface, this is the perfect choice. It ensures a secure grip and precise scoring every time. What people say? This dough scraper is a game changer for baking. It makes dividing and transferring dough so much easier. The flexible yet sturdy blade is perfect for scraping bowls clean and shaping dough. It's also great for cutting. I love how easy it is to clean. Just a quick rinse and it's good to go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.